Day vacation travel hacks here, looking at balcony rooms. Going to do a couple walkthroughs on some of the balcony rooms that we had on the Carnival Horizon. This will be for the first week of April 2023. So this room here is on the sixth floor. It's a balcony room. And first thing that we look at here on the right-hand side is the closets. This was taken during checkout day. There's three people and lots of luggage. There's probably about six luggages for the three people and clothes for the 8 days. You got elegant night, you got fancy dinner night, you got swimming clothes. There was plenty of storage for all of the clothes, and there was plenty of places to put the luggages once consumed. So there's more hangers in this door, and in this door right here, there's a safe and some drawers and some more places to put shirts. As we go over here, you'll see the power supply. There's two USB ports here, two plugs over here. There's some water and cups. You can call the stateroom steward to bring you some ice. They'll bring you a fan if you ask very nicely, if they have one, if somebody else didn't ask, if you think you need a fan. Our room was actually pretty for cruise ships, our room was actually pretty cold. So that TV is pretty cool there. Very big. It had on-demand movies, some free, most were free. Three were new releases, so they were $6.99 each. And there is a door to the connecting room, and you'll see why that's kind of important, why I actually think this is a pretty cool video, because what Carnival provides doesn't really show that. This is the two twin configuration there, and this is what the sofa bed looks like. And so it starts panning out. Out in the balcony is two chairs. So let's go ahead and hop into what the Carnival shows. So it does show a room, but it's flipped, it's mirrored. So what I showed you is actually what it looks like. There is two chairs out there, and right in between there is a place to put drinks. Like I said, we weren't tripping over each other. There was plenty of room. You're located right here, 6243, connects to 6245. And this is where you're at in proximity to the ship. You're in what we call the forward part of the ship. Mostly rooms on here, although in this particular area, if you're trying to avoid teenagers and kids, you are right down the hall here to the right is a warehouse arcade and Circle C, where some of the kids will congregate. But your elevators to things up and down is pretty easily accessible. Now we should probably talk about, hey, what's above and what's below you. Below you, and then you might be saying, well, I don't care what's below me. I thought that too until I was right above the all-night discotheque club, where people were, bumping and, doing DJ things. And, I'm in my 40s. Those are long behind me. So if you're not concerned about that, but you are above the theater. So deck 5 is where the theater is. Most shows get done between 10:15, 10:30. So any noise that would emanate above you, to your room should terminate at what we would call a reasonable hour. What's above you on floor 7? Just some other rooms. And the way the cruise ships are built, it's pretty difficult to hear things on the other side of the wall. It's not like a hotel room. So anyway, that's 6243 connecting room. If that's your room, I hope you enjoy it and have a safe cruise.